Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and I am here looking crazy as hell, but it's all for a good cause because you know what we doing today? We doing new products. This is from Curl's new Poppin' Pineapples collection. I've seen a couple of people try it out. 4C hair. We get slipped under the rug, man. I know people be like, yeah, we use 4C models and 4C this and 4C that. But I feel like I got a different type of 4C. Like, I got that Jamaican kinky naps from Natville, kinky hair. And I need something that's going to combat that. I'm going to see what products out of this I actually like and will continue to use. I mean, it might be all four. It might not be. Actually, it's not even four. It's five. This little baby one. But we're going to see, like, how this goes. Before I start, I do have to warn you guys, and I know you can probably see it. My hair is disgusting. It's dry. It's crunchy. I am going to be doing a treatment beforehand. Y'all 4C girls know the drill, okay? For those of you who don't, welcome to the drill, period. And then we're going to get into the shower, okay? You're getting in the shower with me. Not many people have done that. Not anybody has done that. Hi, Mom. So I have to tell y'all, this conditioner is bomb as fuck, and I got it from the dollar store, y'all. $1 for this big bottle of conditioner that literally made my hair feel like silk, honestly. So this is going to be a super honest review of these products, starting with the shampoo. Now, I was not a big fan of it. For one, the smell was nice, but it's one of those smells that you would definitely get tired of after a while, and especially since it's the same smell from conditioner to shampoo to oil to leave-in to jelly. Like, it's kind of overwhelming. So me personally, I love shampoos that lather because, it makes you feel like it's doing something, like it's really getting in there. But I washed my hair with this shampoo 3 times, and I honestly felt like my hair was still dirty. Like, it wasn't lathering. Now, I know, like, the first wash, it's not going to lather because that's, getting all the gunk. But the second and third wash, I feel like you should have a little bit of suds. But it wasn't sudding up like I really needed it to, which is why, like, I ended up just using my regular shampoo at the end because I just felt like my hair was dirty. Now, I literally went through half the bottle just trying to wash my hair, which is ridiculous. As far as the conditioner goes, this bottle situation is trash. I could barely get it out the bottle. Plus, I use a lot of conditioner, but I feel like literally this is gonna last me 2 washes. I had to re-wet my hair because when I put it on, it felt so dry. Like I don't even know how to describe it. It was just dry. It was just crispy. I was like, this is not great. This is terrible. So I let the conditioner sit on for about 10 minutes, then I attempted to comb it out. Now, I know y'all saw how easy it was to comb out my hair with that other conditioner. This was a whole struggle, okay? It felt like the 10 minutes didn't even do anything to my hair, which is like, I don't even need that much time when I'm using Aussie or any other product for that matter. So definitely thumbs down on the conditioner. Once I was at the shower, I had to re-steam my hair because it still felt really dry. And I do have to mention that I have low porosity hair, meaning that my hair retains no moisture. And as you can see, it did not retain any kind of moisture. As far as the leave-in goes, it was okay. Definitely nothing to rave about. I think I should have still used my regular LCO, which is, leave-in, conditioner, oil routine, but maybe next time. And I pretty much have the same complaint about the size of the bottles. They're so tiny. I pretty much use half of it for my whole head, and that is not okay at all, especially when you're natural. Like, we already spend a lot on products. We need, bigger sizes and cheaper prices. Okay, thanks management. Now, the curling jelly, y'all, that right there is a winner. Okay, my curls were definitely popping. Okay, and I had never seen them look like this before. The only downside is that the leave-in and the jelly do not mix well together. And you're gonna see it at the end, and you probably see it now. Like, it's super white, and I wish people would make products, that work together. Like, I don't understand why. Well, maybe it's because my hair is low porosity, but when I use other products, like, I don't have these problems. So I don't know what's going on. But yeah, that's the only downside. The jelly and the leave-in do not go together, at least not in the order that I put it in. I guess maybe I should try the reverse next time, but this was not cutting it for me. First of all, do you see these curls? Sheesh. 4C ain't never looked this good, okay?
Girl, I go follow go, cause I like the way you back it up, the way you go down low, and that's the reason they be hating on you. Baby, you the baddest. Step on the dance floor and show you madness. I'll be a king, you be my royal highness. Shut up, body, goddamn, you are the flyest. Baby, say you there.
So my hair was still wet in the morning, so I decided to blow dry the roots on cool, of course, and sometimes on warm. But don't tell anyone because you're not supposed to do that when you have product in your hair. But it was just the root, so it wasn't that bad. So it's fine. It's fine. Ain't no problem. Ain't no problem.
As I did for you. Oh, no, no. Your boy born dead.
Once I was finished blow drying it out, I then used the scalp treatment, which again was just okay. It had that pineapple-y smell that was just, I was tired of it at this point. And yeah, it was just okay. Nothing again to rave about.
What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Oh baby, baby, don't play. What do you say? What do you say? What do you got me pulling up like the DJ? Wahala, no, they take it easy. And if you didn't know, everywhere that I go, all my people they be shouting out Tigwe. Call me Baba, I be your guy.
Overall, the only product that I really recommend is the curling jelly. That thing is the truth. And especially for the price and the amount, I definitely think it's worth it. Everything else, I'd say try it. You never know. But I personally wasn't a fan.
You didn't know. And I thank God for all of my success. Mama, you deserve the red carpet. I want you backstage at every of my shows. I want to make you my Mrs. Davido. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Oh baby, baby, don't play. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Oh yeah,
and that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me try these new products. I don't necessarily think these products were made for my hair, but you know, everybody's hair is different. If you like what you see, make sure you comment down below. Let me know like what your favorite products are for your hair, what your hair texture is, all that good stuff. And make sure that you subscribe, thumbs this video up, and share it with all of your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Your daddy, and she gon' tell all the girls that she had me. Oh yeah, baby, slow it, slow it.